The director of SERAP, the deputy director, Kolawole Oludare, has come and said that all governors, and including Wike, the FCC minister, must come out to give account of the loan and the project they are working on. That I think about 4.6 billion and 5.9 trillion. So they must invite IPC and EFCC to come and investigate them. That whoever does not do it will be taken to court.
You see, we'll be taken to court. How long will we be hearing somebody is taken to court? Who is taking them to court? Court and then they are the same. They are bed of the same feather. And inside one room they chop. They chop chicken, they chop anything they like because they are criminals. They are criminals now. The governors and him, all of them. You know how many children, imagine children they under their disposal. And they are now giving us fake story. You see, God will visit them because they know Nigeria don't get the capacity to fight them. Because Nigeria is divided. They don't divide Nigeria. They divide Nigeria, the pieces Nigeria. So Nigeria don't get liver to start and unite to fight against them. That's why you can be hearing story now. Governor the church, minister the church, this one the church. Me and you hear and say the church. Who go folk fight them? Nobody go fight them. Court, who be caught? Now they be caught. That man will be chief justice. Don't see Panama. Now mafia. See Panama when they were first time Nigeria is the Panama mafia. All of them are trouble gang up now. See. Only God can set you free, you and I free for this hand of this government. Because this government, they are mafia. They came for a purpose. And that purpose, and God will not go allow that purpose. Because that purpose is not favoring me and you. Not favoring me and you. They just bring agenda when they're pure. Structure when they're pure. Why don't give us a real language that will make us benefits? We are Nigeria. We're supposed to be enjoying it. We're not supposed to be in this kind of situation where everything is scattered. And you'll be hearing trillions. We can say just come Abuja, it don't make billion, trillion. Where is the money? It the APC one leg, the PDP one leg. That one reality. You know they happen like that now. Now you go say now they want to try to make Nigeria one party system. Before you know, labor all of them they go enter that pulse. Because of what? Lions. But God will change our mind. Because me and you, we must win. We must win this battle. Because this battle is not our battle. This battle is battle of God to fight on our behalf. Because those men in the corridor of power, they don't care for you and I. They don't care. You know, yesterday, I see anything shop. Everything high, everything high, everything high. See today, which day? Okay, now it's going to hear before June. See, does the wash. Nigeria go check out for them. When it's getting badly, because we're not going to tolerate this kind advice every day, negative talk. So charge them go court. Who be the court? Arewole no be your charge of court. Jagaba no be father. Imagine. So Nigeria is a bullshit hole. It's only God that will set you and I free. And God already set you and I free. Because they don't have anything to offer. They are just enjoying our money, living flamboyant life. Is it supposed to be so? It's not supposed to be so. Nigeria is supposed to be happy. Now Nigeria, the government is telling Nigeria not to be abusing Nigeria, not to be. They will work. They swear for the government because the government is not popular to the color of their nature. It's wrong. It's very, very, very wrong. Nigeria government is more than wrong. Because the divinity of democracy is nowhere to be found. It's a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. And where are we? Are we not among the people? But we are left aside. Make things hard for us. And then live like king. But God, if they don't take time, God will visit them. The fire of God will visit them. And it will burn their hearts. Because Nigeria is suffering every day by day. Rice 1 million, Gary 1 million. You can't even shop rice 300. Okay, to enter motor for you to bag and go. Why? For go buy for 3,000. You just like say you buy pure water for that gallon. Where are we going? We're supposed to be like this. Jagaba come from a language that 9 ton. Okay, we say you get liver in your tongue. You come. What have you done? You make life meaningless. This is not what we expect from you. Jagaba, go and sit down and checkmate your heart. And let your people do the right thing and let Nigeria happy with you people. Ekpa. See, Ekpa, let me tell you the reality of Ekpa. Ekpa, I don't even know his whereabouts or even to know what he's saying. See, if you want to fight, you come here and fight. Tell us what is happening. See, Unadi Kanu is saying language that is directly to Ekpa. He say, who is that bastard? Who is that idiot? Say, if he stand, nobody will cough. Those of you know that language. He said the federal government should release him and give him 2 minutes. So the disturbance in that region will stop automatically. It's referring to people like some Ekpa that have somewhere in the field making unnecessary noise. They blow that 1 year winch, they blow for 1 year corner. Now year winch now. Come blow for where people they will catch you. But that's a 9 year winch, they blow for 1 year corner. Now they cause unnecessary problem for East. And you therefore somewhere for field they enjoy. They was a luxurious house. People are suffering, giving order on Mandela coming out. Is that the language? That is not the reality language. Come and tell them, see what we want, see what we don't want. Don't be say you go to hide. See, I want the federal government to release Nnamdi Kanu and to checkmate this Samuel Ekpa or so who they call him. What I say is a general, it's a tata for my own feed na tata. Not tata now. If I be catch and they will catch and sarap in him. Because you don't get liver, they make noise 1 crore. You don't get liver, you don't get any liver. They tell you the reality. If you get liver, you go come, they go mash. Yeah, you know, call the terrorists. You can call person anyhow because you there for 1 crore, they blow your ear. If they blow your ear horn, come here, come tell the terrorists now. You come here, you go know say you be man. They go now, 12 now, will attack on themselves. For ring. Anthony Joshua with the other one, you know faster for ring.
Nganu.
Ganu say go beat him like mad. When it happen, go. It's
2 rounds, 2 rounds.
He say some Ekpa say Nigeria be terrorists. Nigeria may say some Ekpa terrorists. Okay, who is the terrorist? All those are their game. It's a game of throw. You know what that film? Game of throw. Everybody is looking for his supremacy. But according to what I understand, some Ekpa, if you want to do reality, make come Nigeria here, come fight the relief fight. They go no day there, they make unnecessary noise.
APC chieftain Yekini Nabena has come out to say that this Tinubu government, they intentionally, make our currency go high so that they will not later bring it down and look as if to make it seem as if they are really working. But he said they know what they are doing. They probably increase our naira to make it go up so that when it comes down, Nigerian citizens start praising them that they are working. Meanwhile, it's a lie. That they know what they are doing.
You see, let me tell you one thing. You see that guy, I don't even know that guy, but when we say Nigeria government, this present government is a scam. You understand what I'm saying? It's just what they are saying. It's confirmed reality, propaganda. You give Nigeria every day, have patience, have patience, have patience, have patience. Anything you say, no one is working. So are they not propaganda? That machinery to make Nigeria, hey, hallelujah. Nothing hallelujah for there. December, for refinery to today, what is now? April, where is the number? Where is it positive? Nothing is positive. It's all negative because of the agenda of them, because they don't come with the agenda of the people. You see why Nigeria, they are not popular with Nigeria. Can you see what is happening in Nigeria? Nigeria is not happy with the government. And the government knows. They just try to propagate things that things should be better. How long? Okay, now the governor now are not begging Nigeria, have patience. The president have patience. The wife have patience. The son have patience. Now patient will go the answer. So according
the patient won't chop now.
The patient will go chop. Now who bellefool, now go look language. Nigeria don't chop bellefool. They don't even see road. They don't even see work. They don't even see anything. Okay, where is the renew hope? Now within them. So he's trying to make a point. Now then. They just smuggle the whole thing to their whole pockets.
Okay, and